I've made beginner tutorials and guides for the 6 biggest CRM tools out there, and in this video we are going to compare each of them side by side so that by the end of this video you are going to know which CRM tool you should actually go for depending on your use case. Now we are going to go over all of the tools that you can see on screen right now: Salesforce, HubSpot, Monday, Close, Pipedrive, as well as the Zoho CRM. And then at the end I'm also going to give you guys a conclusion on which tool is actually the best for your different kind of scenario. Now to get started, we're actually going to take a look at HubSpot, and the HubSpot CRM generally has a pretty friendly user interface, which makes it easy to actually get started as a beginner to navigate around and use the CRM system. And also this integrates with quite a lot of marketing sales tools that HubSpot provides. Now HubSpot provides a wide range of marketing sales tools, allowing for seamless integrations. As you can see right here, they do have a marketing hub as well as a sales hub, service hub, and so on, which you can basically all seamlessly integrate within the HubSpot CRM. Now as for the cons, first of all, the HubSpot plan does cost 20 euros per month if you're going to pay upfront. I think if you're going to pay monthly, this is going to cost you 30 euros. And by the way, I'm located in the EU, so this is going to be 40 euros. However, it is going to be basically the same as for the US. It is just going to cost $30. Now, one thing which I would like to mention, quick disclaimer: I'm not actually sponsored by any of these tools. I'm just going to state my personal recommendations and my personal opinion depending on my own experience. However, if you actually want to support me for completely free, I will leave you the link to all of these tools down below. And for some of these tools, you are even going to get a special discounts if you are going to use the links down below. I'm also going to list you all of the beginner tutorials which I've made if you want to learn any of these tools. So now basically HubSpot is going to start at 30 euros per month. And as for the cons, I personally think that they do have some kind of limited customization options. Now some users find that the HubSpot CRM system has limitation when it comes to customizing features and workflows, and also the pricing. Now HubSpot's more advanced features are going to come at an is going to be quite pricey, as you can see right here. However, if you only want the basic features, you are going to pay 30 euros per month, which is pretty okay-ish. I will compare all of the pricing options later on, no worries, but as of now 30 euros is actually kind of okay. Now let's get to our next tool called Close. Now the Close CRM is actually pretty good if you ask me. Now Close is going to basically offer you a sales-centric feature CRM with a strong focus on sales, offering features that help you basically manage your sales teams, manage leads, and close deals efficiently. Now, as for the email tracking and automation, I also want to highlight this. I think this works great on Close and definitely is something where other tools kind of lack in, and which Close does do pretty good. Now, as for the cons, Close, in my opinion, does have quite limited marketing integration. And also the Close CRM is primarily a sales-focused tool, so it may lack the comprehensive marketing features that you are going to get at other tools. And also Close is going to involve a steeper learning curve than some of the other tools on this list essentially. However, if you're going to watch my video right here, you can actually learn Close in only 10 minutes. But either way, as for the pricing, Close is going to start at $50 as for the annual billing. If you're going to look at monthly, this is going to start at $60 right here. So pretty pricey if you ask me, keeping in mind that you won't really get tons of features with the starter plan. As you can see, you are only going to get the core features, and if you actually want more advanced features, you will have to go for a paid plan. Now let's get to Pipedrive, which I actually really like. Now Pipedrive is a CRM platform which is going to help you grow your business. Now I think Pipedrive's sales pipeline is actually great in offering a visual and organized way to track all of your leads and deals, and also Pipedrive generally is going to give you quite a lot of integrations, quite a lot of customization options, and as you can basically see right here, everything is super organized, everything is super simple, and everything is super beginner friendly, which I really like. Now Pipedrive also comes with some cons. As you can see right here, as of right now, they only have their sales software, email software, and their integrations, which you can see right here. They do offer, once again, quite a lot of integrations. However, they're also not going to offer you quite a lot of marketing features like Close. So basically Close as well as Pipedrive both lack kind of marketing features in my opinion. And as for the reporting and analytics, some users actually find Pipedrive's reporting and analytics capabilities to be less robust than other tools like Salesforce, which we are going to cover later on. However, I think it is actually pretty good, but still slightly worse than the other tools. However, I actually think the reporting features are pretty good, maybe slightly worse than the other tools on this list, but still nothing to worry about too much. As for the pricing, this is going to start at $15 per month and is going to basically be more pricey depending on if you're going to go for a monthly option and depending on what kind of features you will actually want for your CRM. Let's now get to the Soho CRM. As you can see, the Soho CRM will basically allow you to super fast your work with spread fast growth. Now basically, as for the Soho CRM, I think the Soho CRM pricing is actually pretty affordable, as you can see right here. It is going to start at 20 euros per month. However, if you're going to go for a yearly option, this is going to start at 14 euros, which actually is pretty good. You can actually also get bundles, and Soho actually basically offers tons of different kind of products. Like, as you can see, as for sales, they do offer CRM with different kind of forms, signs, burgeons, and so on. They also do offer marketing, services, service features, finance features, and so on. And you can basically seamlessly integrate everything inside the Soho suite. So for example, you can actually integrate Soho projects with the Soho CRM, which I actually think does make quite a lot of sense and is super useful. So really this is something you will have to keep in mind with Soho, although the CRM on its own maybe won't be as powerful as the other CRM tools out there. Basically, you can connect everything seamlessly, which really is quite the upside in my opinion. Now, as for the cons, I actually think basically the customization and the process of setting everything up is kind of complex, and some users may find the customization option of the Soho CRM to be complex and less user-friendly than other tools, and also Soho's customer support isn't as comprehensive as some other CRM providers, which we've covered until now. Now, let's now get to the Monday Sales CRM, which is really good in my opinion. So you are going to get quite a visual project management dashboard. So basically the Monday CRM excels in visual project management, making it easy to track everything, manage tasks as well as projects. And you can also customize all of the workflows, and basically the users can customize everything accordingly for specific businesses and processes and needs and so on. Monday will actually also allow you to integrate with quite a lot of tools. As you can see, they basically have tools for everything you need to know, like communication, collaboration, marketing, CRM and finance, and so on. So this is also something which I will have to highlight. And overall, I just think that Monday is by far the most user-friendly and easiest tool to get started with. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that they lack in features. However, I just think that the overall Monday feeling is by far the best. Now, as for the cons, Monday is basically going to have some limited sales features. The Monday CRM is primarily designed to basically manage project management and may not offer as many sales features as the other CRM tools on this list. And the pricing is also going to be a little bit more pricier depending on how much seats you're actually going to need for your team. As you can see, this is going to start at 10 euros per month. Now, as for the next and last CRM actually, we're going to take a look at Salesforce. As you can see, Salesforce will actually allow you to do data plus AI plus CRM plus trust, which will result in more sales and happier customers. Now, basically, Salesforce is one of the leading CRM tools out there. Now, I personally, to be completely honest, I am not quite a fan of Salesforce, but first of all, as for the pros, they really do have quite extensive features, so this is going to be by far the most feature-rich platform out there. So Salesforce, in my opinion, is I think, on the same level with HubSpot, but still they do offer super comprehensive features on all sorts of different things like sales, marketing, customer service, and basically more. It is basically suitable for large enterprise companies with complex needs. Now, as for the scalability, Salesforce is also going to grow with you, and it can scale the growth of your business, making it suitable for both small as well as startups and large businesses. Now, as for the cons, I think Salesforce is quite complex to begin with. Beginner tutorial right here. However, still, I think it is quite complex, and if you don't really want to spend 1 to 2 days setting up your CRM, maybe it wouldn't be actually good to look into Salesforce. Now, as for the cons, I think Salesforce is actually going to be quite complex to get started with. Beginner tutorial right here. But either way, Salesforce is going to take you quite a lot of time to basically get used to it and to understand all of the features, just because it is so feature rich. But essentially, Salesforce, in my opinion, is also really costly, because basically, if you aren't a big company, an enterprise company, you most likely won't need all of the features. And Salesforce does have, basically, is quite expensive, depending on your business and depending on your kind of features that you actually want to unlock. But either way, as for the conclusion, in my opinion, there are 2 clear winners. First of all, HubSpot. HubSpot is going to offer you quite a lot of integrated marketing and sales tools, which is super powerful. HubSpot really is a marketing leader in all of these niches. So HubSpot is going to give you, in my opinion, the most comprehensive features. Now, basically, HubSpot is also super user-friendly to get started with, and also is going to scale with your company and really can help you with scalability. Now, as for Monday, Monday basically is going to be a visual project management focused CRM, which can help in providing intuitive and visual project management experience, and its customizable workflows and boards make it also super easy to track and manage all of the tasks efficiently. Now, as for the customization of the workflows, Monday is going to allow you to tailor all of your workflows to match your specific business needs, and it is also going to be super flexible and is going to be valuable for all of your business unique requirements. Now, as for the pricing, I think the pricing is actually pretty good, keeping in mind that you're going to get quite a lot of project management features and that you most likely won't need other tools like Asana or other project management tools to actually get started using your CRM. Now, that's basically it for this video. All of the links down below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.